Planning to switch hosting providers or move your site to a new server? Don't worry. If your host uses cPanel, migrating your website is easier than you think. Step 1. Log into your current hosting account cPanel. This is where all your files, databases, and email settings live. Step 2. Head over to the File Manager. Locate the public_HTML folder. This contains your website's core files. Select all the files inside, right-click, and hit Compress. Choose zip format, then download the compressed file to your local computer. Step 3. Now it's time to grab your database. Go back to the cPanel dashboard and open phpMyAdmin. Select your website's database, click on the Export tab, and hit Go. This will download a .sql file. Keep it safe. Step 4. Log into the cPanel of your new hosting account. Open the File Manager, upload the zip file you downloaded earlier, and extract it inside the public_HTML folder. Step 5. Time to set up the database. Go to Manage My Databases section, create a new database, a user, and assign full privileges. Step 6. Update your website's configuration file, like wp-config.php for WordPress, with your new database name, user, and password. That's it. Visit your domain and check if everything is working. Tip: always take backups before migrating. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials on web hosting and Linux servers, don't forget to subscribe.